You know that there's actually hidden Google games that you cannot play. This is how to code it. Write Google with a long O's. Like Google. Then search. Tap this e-look. This one. This Google backwards. And data is correct now. Remove this. Wow. Actually, I played this game before. I played this Elo game. No, there's molehill. Thanos snap. Okay, click this hand. No need that. Wait. What's happening? Oh my god! What the? Wallpaper? What's happening? Even though, okay. Bring back everything. They'll bring alcohol. Okay, just pause so that I can get something from my actress room. Sure. And I know the something. The Google is backwards also. Oh my god. Batman. Batman. I am Batman. Batman. Batman! But with Fibo did Super Mario Bros. I will click so fast. You know what? Hello. Wait. What is Wick? You know I tried this game before. Just click this button. I want to go. The fireworks on USD on my other on your school. No. So pretty. What fireworks? Makapansa. Makapansa. Turn off the volume. We don't. I hate this. Why is that? Oh, you know, dinosaur game. Enable button. I just sit here and relax. Let's no. Let's I just enabled a button. So that two times. What? I that also. That's so. That's so. All right. Now before we say what we like this. Something you cannot find you. Remove this. Like GT time. I don't know. So GTT with Dino. GT GT Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Of course I have to tell. Let's spell it. I still have spelling class, but let's try. Dinosaur King. School. Okay. Hey, look. Let's try this. Dinosaur King. GT Dinosaur King. Chrome. What do you mean Chrome? Because now I never played Dinosaur. Okay. Now let's go all the way. Search the same thing. Google. No, Google. Now, wait. Segwash. What is Segwash? What is Space Invaders? The hell? They even got him. Oh, Segwash. 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 You know what? Segwash. Stop it now. Uh, se- se- no way. Underwater search. More fish, please. Alright, you can just search that. But you can also get it on the e-log. More fish, please. And if you click, I'm feeling lucky. And then me. And then alright, the coins are blocking the fish. What is pens? Pop, pop, pop. Is it? Why do you have to put the song? Yeah. Put it down. Okay. What is search? Wait. French put it. Okay. A little. Hi. Did they just sing a song? And this one, I know this one. Oh, I actually know this one. Fulton. Fulton. I watch Fulton. I watch my favorite YouTuber, Fulton. And they said about the Akawi game. Like, my favorite YouTuber is Fulton. It's like a keyboard. Oh, that was so good. Oh, oh no. Me, everyone deserves a second chance. Alright. Fulton Tanita. Fulton! It's oh, a tool chance. Oh, very good. I'm winning this round. I'm winning. I'm winning this round. They taking a photo. Oh, no, no. No, no. Yes! It's a 63. What is Google Sipo? I mean, I already know. Okay. It's time to unzip. Is that true? Okay. Google Mirror. What am I gonna see on the Google Mirror? My face. Look. Google Choco. Gonna stop that. Let it snow. I know about Elsa. You know. Okay, subscribe. Oh my god, part of it. Let it snow. Let it snow. What do you mean, divorce? My phone is feeling hot, not cold. Okay. Up. What's happening? Let it snow. Subscribe. Wait, guys. I will make a part 2 after we go to the mall. Let's go to Fisher Mall.